Now here we resolve the initial velocity into the component along the inclined plane, that is AD. And here for resolving we take the axis, that is the frame, that is parallel to the inclined plane, like X, okay, and perpendicular to the inclined plane, that is Y. Now we resolve the initial velocity as along x-axis, this is u cos, then this angle is, now this angle is theta minus beta, u cos theta minus beta, and this is u sin theta minus beta. Okay, now we had resolved this, and now we come to the and here the projectile, that is the projectile body, is covering the distance on two planes, that is first on the vertical plane and second on the horizontal plane, and here this is also the inclined plane. That is, if we consider that the body is supposed to be here, then in this plane the body is covering a distance, this much distance, that is the distance AB. The body is covering distance AB, and here in this plane the body is covering distance BD. Suppose this is the height h. Here the body is the covering distance from A to D, so the force of gravity acts at A in this direction, in this downward direction, and at D also in this downward direction. Okay, and also this point, this particular point, the force of gravity also acts in this direction. So here we are getting that the force of gravity is acting only in downward direction, so at every point of its trajectory, that is its path. So here if we resolve the suppose the force of gravity is acting in this downward, this G. So now we resolve in the same frame like this and this. This is G. And with geometry, if this is beta, then in this triangle this is 90, this is 90 minus beta, this is 90 minus beta, and this is 90 minus beta, and this is perpendicular to this. So this is 90 minus beta, and this, the whole angle is 90, hence this angle becomes beta. Now this is G cos beta, and this is G sin beta. This is G sin beta. Now this is G cos beta, and this is G sin beta. Now we come to the point that here we are getting the motion in two planes, that is this direction, and this direction, as the body from point here goes to here, and with this height the body reaches to this height, and this should be considered as the maximum height for this body. This height should be considered as the maximum height, and this is the distance covered from A to B, and this is the range. So the initial velocity is ordered u cos theta minus beta. So we write here in inclined plane, initial velocity u cos theta minus beta, and similarly initial velocity is equal to u sine theta minus beta. This is the initial velocity along this horizontal plane to the incline, or vertical to the inclined plane. Now acceleration on the inclined plane. Acceleration on the inclined plane is g. This is g. Here the motion is along this direction on the inclined plane. The body is covering distance from here to here. So here the g is considered as negative. That is minus g. This is sine beta, and here acceleration is equal to acceleration. This is this perpendicular. So here the body is displacing in upward direction. The body is traveling in upward direction. So the downward gravity is taken as negative, minus g cos beta. Now as the distance is covering with the formula of, now for the complete motion along AD. Now the motion along the arc AD, the distance covered S is equal to AD in this inclined direction, and S is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 as the body here, after traveling distance S in an inclined plane, does not travel any vertical distance. The body is on the same plane. So here the vertical displacement of the body is taken as 0. Now using the formula, S is equal to ut plus half at square, S is equal to ut plus half a t square. This should be capital T. This is equal to, here S is equal to 0, u is equal to u sine theta minus beta. Okay, and here a, that is here acceleration is minus g cos beta, and here a half a and t square. Forget t. Now this implies taking this total value to this side, left side, 1 by 2 g cos beta t square is equal to u sine theta minus beta. T and t gets cancelled. Now taking t, only t in this side, and taking all the data to the right side, we have u sine theta minus beta upon the 2 in denominator goes here to the numerator, that is 2u sine theta minus beta, and here g cos beta comes to this side, knee downward, g cos beta. So here we get t is equal to 2u sine theta minus beta upon g cos beta. This is the equation for the time travel to complete the trajectory. Now here S is equal to AD. So again applying this same formula, S is equal to S, that is AD is equal to UT. Here U is equal to U cos theta minus beta T. Here G is also negative, A is also negative, acceleration minus G and half 1 by 2 G sine beta into T square. Now put the equation of T, time travel T, this is T, here T, we get here the space is not sufficient, so I am taking to the second page. Now we have again writing that equation. AD is equal to u cos theta minus beta into t minus half g sin beta into t square. Now putting the value of t u cos theta minus beta into the value of t was this 2u sin theta minus beta by g cos beta. Now t is equal to 2u sin theta minus beta by g cos beta 1 by 2 g sin beta into 2u sin theta minus beta by g cos beta whole square. This is whole square. Now we comes, now here it is equal to, now on taking solving u cos theta minus beta, this is the same 2u sin theta minus beta by g cos beta. Now here solving this 1 by 2 g sin beta into, this is 4 u square sin square theta minus beta by g square cos square beta. Okay, now taking common in both this, we get u, here u and this u becomes u square. U square formula is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is on the formula cos A plus B. Cos, this is A considering theta minus beta as A plus B, beta as B upon cos beta. This is the equation of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B equals cos A plus B. Now for convenience I am writing the equation like cos A cos B, sorry this is B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos A plus B. Now don't get writing this step here, we get 2u square sin theta minus beta divided by g cos beta, and here this is cos, this beta get cancelled, cos theta upon cos beta. So here AD, from this AD equals 2u square sin theta minus beta into cos theta upon g, this cos and this cos gets cos square beta, and this is the equation. Now we get AD as this much. So in this figure AD is equal to the range. It is the range covered. It is a range covered. So hence range, that is AD is equal to range R is equal to this. And thanks for watching. Thanks. Come again. Thanks.